Hey, hello, Ben here with Studio on the Lake. So here's a little special carve that's quick, down, dirty, and painless. Here's a little rose, or maybe a carnation, or maybe I don't know what it's for. I just felt like doing it. I was thinking about someone, and they inspired me. I thought, well, I'll just knock this out while I'm doing the spirit whale. So I did a little carving on a spirit whale and some other things today. Hey, look, in the background, hanging out with me, that's Molly. She's trouble. 9 weeks old now, but she seems to not mind the power tools and whatnot. So get yourself a piece of scrap basswood. I don't think that's one of Rob's. I doubt it. It's possible, but I doubt it. One of the pieces I cut for Rob. Uh, so I'm leaving a bunch on there so I can hang on to it. A whole bunch. You'd think I have big old mitts the way that as much stuff is in there. Like I said, this is a car for someone that I was thinking of. I don't do names in my uh, videos, as most of you know, and faces and that sort of thing. But you know who you are. So I hope you like it. That's in my Oz 2 Plus handpiece for those of you that want to come along. And that's a long, thin taper, a saber tooth burr. And in reality, I've got a rose reference right there, and I'm copying it piece for piece. Not really. I have no idea. I'm doing what I think a rose would do and that I can do with this carving, which is cut petals in a round motion, and it's kind of like doing a beard or something like that. The freer you are with it, the less static, the better it's going to read. Keep in mind, and I've said this before, some items, if you carve them absolutely correct from an anatomical reference or from a plan, they're going to be wrong because that's not what your eye sees. When people's eyes see various different animals, various different things, they associate a shape, and they will argue with you till the day you die if you have an anatomically correct something that looks funky. They'll tell you that you did it wrong. Interesting fact. So this is basswood. It's pretty straightforward. There's no finish on this. You can spend as much time on this as you want. I spent maybe a half an hour. Uh, I had a little Beth Hart and Joe Bonamassa in the background, blaring loudly and obnoxiously. I've learned that if they're on there, even a little bit, you'll get a copyright hit. So like, comment, and subscribe, and look out for the contest. Thanks a lot. This has been Ben.